Alright, now we're at one of me and Chong's favorite spots. Here's the little, it's a, I forgot the name. I woke up and there we go. But here's a little waterfall. The ducks are kind of going over the waterfall. Here's two over there. It's very nice and peaceful. You can't get more peaceful than this. This just kind of makes all the stuff that you have to deal with at work just a little bit better. Just seeing all this beauty. But I figured I'd share it with everybody because I thought it was very nice and pretty.